Okay, this is a direct proportion question. So the table shows values of x and y, tick the correct statement. This means y is proportional to x, that's y is proportional to x squared, y is proportional to x cubed. Okay, now let's just test this out. I want to first see if it's y proportional to x. So y is proportional to kx, and we need to find out what k is. Let's try it for the first one. So I've got 400 is equal to k times 5. To solve this, we divide it by 5 divided by 5, which means k is going to be equal to 80. Now let's test it for the second one, and if it's true for the second one, then we know we've definitely got an answer there. So we're going to be y is equal to 80x. Let's test it. So we've got 576. Is that proportional to 80 times 6? So you can have to use a calculator. 80 times 6 is 480, so that's wrong. Okay, so it can't be that. So then we're going to have to try to see if k is proportional to x squared, which then would give me the formula y equals k x squared. And again, we're going to have to substitute the values in for first one. So k equals x is 5, so it's going to be 5 squared. We know 5 squared is 25. Okay, so to solve this, we divide both sides by 25. Right, to see if y is proportional to x squared, we do y equals k have x squared. Okay, substitute the numbers in again like we did last time. 400 equals k 5 squared. 5 squared is 25, so k times 25 equals 400. To solve for k, we divide it by 25 divided by 25. I'm going to use my calculator not to make any mistakes. 400 divided by 25, 16. So k equals 16. Same as last time, we need to substitute it in to the next one to check to see if it's right. So I've got y is equal to kx squared. So I've got 16 times 6 squared equals, I'll type it into my calculator. 16 times 6 squared is 576, which is that one there, which is 576. So it's going to have to be the middle one. Okay. Now, write a formula for y in terms of x. Okay. Now the formula here, which is y equals, we worked out k to be 60, x squared. Now this would be fine if it was in terms of y, but it's not, it's in terms of x. So we need to get x on its own. Let's get rid of 16, divided by 16, divided by 16. Okay, y over 16 equals x squared. To get rid of squared, we square root and square root. Okay, which actually means the square root of y over 16 equals x. Okay, if you want to make it a little bit simpler, 16 is a square number, so you can actually do the square root of y over 4, because the square root of 16 is 4, equals x.